Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Analia and I'm an artist illustrator. Today is the starting of a new season. It's March 21st, so spring is already upon us. Here is what I've been working to say hello to the spring season. I think this is cute. What do we expect for this vlog? Well, it's something that I need to work because I have a lot of things in my to-do list, and this is the first vlog that I actually took, that I'm not doing a voiceover or writing the subtitles. So I have a lot to figure it out, but I thought it's time for me to show myself, to grow the skill of talking at the camera, to vlogging, and it's a way that you get to know me better and also see how this goes. Before, to talk to the camera, and it was so hard, but I don't know how. I feel much comfortable, and it's because I have a little audience, and before I was scared to talk to the camera and no one would listen, no one will watch my videos. But so far I got surprised, and I know for some other people might not be that much of views, but for me it is a huge deal. So I want to thank you in advance for watching my vlogs. I know that I need to get better at it, so maybe if you bear with me through this time, and so I can develop my skills, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, I will show you my process of making this layout sticker, and I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. Now I have my illustration here. What I'm gonna do is select all the layers, create a group, and merge down or flatten the illustration. Have to move a little bit the illustration. I will try to smooth this edge. So I will turn off the background color, and this is my sticker sheet. So what I will do is duplicate, then slide to the right and turn on alpha lock, I will select the white, the brightest white color, and then I will go to my monoline brush that I alterate, and it's a little more bigger, so when I colorate it won't take too long to fill this in blank. I turn off this layer, the color layer, and I notice that I can still see the gaps. I will turn off overlaps by sliding again to the right, and what I do is basically duplicate at least 6 times, and the background is getting more wider. Now it's ready. I think this is good enough. I will duplicate the layer, then select an adjustment, select Gaussian blur, and slide all 12% for me. It will work. So what I will do is merge these 2 layers down, and now I will press on the selecting tool and select automatic, and when I select the illustration it will all get selected. Then I will press on the brush, and I still have the monoline on, so what I will do is fill everything out. Deselect, and I still need to work on filling some spaces. It's okay. What I will do is to move the layer up, okay, but I'm still selecting the background of the sticker. I'm still selecting the monoline, and I will fill this space, even this space over here. Okay, so I have ready my sticker. It's spring vibe all the way. The next step will be I will press on the action tool, and then I will go to share and press as a, export it as a PNG file. Then I'll airdrop it to my laptop. I will open my Silhouette Studio. Select on file, open, here. I need to turn on the registration mark. And as you can see, the illustration is big, so I will select it all and adjust it 3 by 2.8. It will be a fair size. my goal is to try to fill the page as much as I can. Sometimes it's not possible, but I will try. This is the Replicate tool for the Silhouette software, and here, if you can see, you can duplicate or replicate many times the design selected. So I will go by only one for the moment, because I need to figure it out how I'm going to place the stickers. I don't know if this is the right adjustment or not. Now what I have to do is select printer setup, because I have two printers. Now I will select my Canon G5000 to use to make this sticker. The design is misaligned, but this is very easy. If I leave this line like this, the sticker will cut awfully offset. So the only thing that I need to do is select again, and it's on the right place. Now they are all aligned and it's ready to print. To select the print, and as I see, you have to make sure always to check that all the marks are in the print layout, because if it's not, the dimension of the paper is not right. So mine, it is okay. So I'm gonna go forward and print it, which I'm going to use. I'm gonna use the vinyl sticker, matte finish. Now it's ready to print. The printer is selected. I'll go to media quality, feed from rare train. It's where I set my sticker paper, and the media type will be photo, and the quality will be the best quality. So I hit print and it will ready to print. It's going to take a few minutes, and I always select on the line, and as you can see, the line is red. So here is the reference where it's going to cut. My sticker paper is very thick. I will select on the blade depth 10, and I will go all the way, and the speed I will go on, I think, on 6. I will pass it twice, because as I'm saying, my sticker paper is thick, so one round it won't be enough to cut it through, and that's how I get a smooth cut. how it turned out. They are gorgeous. Now they are ready for the pictures and upload it on my Etsy shop. Since I don't have much light, I need to be creative, so I need to work on my chair. Here is my layout. I know if you see it this way, it's not charming at all. This is a shirt, my shirt, and I love it because it's very white, and I love the texture, and I think it looks I don't know, it looks fine. This is a white canvas to work. Here are some ideas that I wanted to share with you. If you are in need of some inspiration, and basically what I wanted to share is that you don't need fancy equipment to start your small business. And here is another example of idea for another picture layout. And now I have an eraser, and then I place it in the middle, and then I place the sticker, and here is the result. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy it, if you like it, this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you enjoy it, and I really appreciate your support. You have no idea how much it really means to me. I am also on Instagram, so I have the link down below in the description. Also, you can check my products on my Etsy shop and see for yourself if you like what I do, if you like my products. And I really thank you in advance for your support, and see you next video. Bye bye.